Hello. So I think it's 11 o'clock today. और जिसका था मुझे इंतज़ार वो घड़ी आ गई. 11 बजे हैं. मेरे को बहुत भूख लगती है because as a matter of fact I was born at 11 a.m. So 11 p.m. rather. तो मुझे 11 बजे रात को एक्चुअली बहुत भूख लगनी शुरू होती है. So what I'm gonna be doing now is today light snacks बनाते हैं. We'll go Spanish. So we'll make Spanish tapas. Now Spanish tapas is basically a light snack. A light snack जैसे कि it can be tidbit size, it can be mushrooms. Well, mushrooms, yes. We're going to be making mushrooms. Tapas basically एक snack accompaniment होता है Spanish bars में. आप स्पेन में जाएंगे तो स्पेन में बहुत जगह पे आपको मैड्रिड में, मालागा में, हर जगह पे आपको मिलेगा basically tapa bar. And tapa bar will have variety of snacks. So एक बहुत सिंपल घर में easily available items मिल जाती हैं. So we'll start with that. Okay. So सबसे पहले we'll take the pan. I'm doing it in induction. हम इसको कढ़ाई पे भी कर सकते हैं. The point is जो pan में हमने करना है, the pan should be burning and smoking hot because we're going to be smoking the mushrooms. So let's get on to the recipe. Pan है. Pan के लिए I've taken some mushrooms. Mushrooms को मैंने कट कर लिया है personally. You can see I always use the whole mushroom. मैं इसके साइड के edges नहीं निकालता हूँ. People have their own choices to do things, but why waste if you can eat? इसको हम अच्छी तरह से स्मोक कर लेंगे. Here we are. I can feel the heat. Just one more minute. So तब तक मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ वी आर मेकिंग चीज़ मशरूम टापाज. और टापाज जैसे मैंने पहले बताया इट्स अ स्पेनिश स्नैक एंड पर्सनली आई लव स्पेनिश फूड अ लॉट. सो द पैन इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डन. सो अब इसमें मशरूम्स we'll put mushrooms without any oil or anything because we're gonna be smoking it a bit. Usually see mushroom is one choice because जो glazing आएगी वो mushroom पे आएगी. You can see it has a typical effect. ये mushroom जो है अपना liquid छोड़ देगा थोड़ी देर में. So you can do it with non-vegetarian stuff also, but mushroom can go, paneer can go. I've been making paneer for last 2-3 times, so I thought this time we can do mushrooms. So we have the mushrooms. थोड़ा सा इसको और ग्लेज करेंगे और इसका एक्चुअली मज़ा जो आता है उसको कढ़ाई में बनाने से आता है बिकॉज कढ़ाई में प्रॉपर जो है स्मोकिंग हो जाती है. नॉन स्टिक स्टिल हैज its limitations, so does the induction, but let's see, we will do it. हमने एक पैन लिया है और पैन को हमने स्मोक कर लिया अच्छी तरह से. स्मोक एज इन वी जस्ट पुट इट ऑन हाई हीट विदाउट एनी ऑयल. और उसमें हमने मशरूम्स डाले हैं कट करके. दैट्स इट. रेसिपी नेम इज चीज़ एंड मशरूम tapas. Tapas is a Spanish word for snacks. I can smell this. We need to brown it actually, so we'll have to give it a little time. जब तक ये ब्राउन होता है we'll save some time and I'll take you to. अब इसको ये जो टापास में बनाने वाला हूँ we're gonna be putting it over bread. So brown bread है, easily घर पे मिल जाती है. So we'll take this bread and by the time this is getting done we'll just shift it and I'm sure you can see the smoke and you can listen to the voice of the mushrooms. You can see we have some bread. वी हैव सम ब्रेड एंड इसको हमने ब्रेड को वी आर ट्राइंग टू विल फ्लैटन इट. One bread is flattened. See, we have then chili flakes as well. Just keep और ingredients दिखाइए तब तक आप. Now you can see the mushrooms as well. Okay, so we have mushrooms which are glazed. We have this bread. Bread को हम flat कर लेंगे. I've taken two different kinds of breads. One is the oregano bread and one is the brown bread. Just to show कि ये किसी में भी properly बन जाएगा. So we flatten it well. Like this, we will take two pieces from this bread, and by the time we'll check our mushrooms as well. Wow, you see the browning thing? They begin to brown. So we have to brown it without any oil. I love the mushrooms talking, you know, when they are like on a hot pan. They make little noises. Okay, let it go. By this time, we'll do the garlic bread as well. You can see, this is the garlic bread जो हमने flat कर ली है. We can use brown bread, white bread, kulcha, anything. Since it is a simple homemade snack, जो भी आपके पास पड़ा है, you can go with that. Right, you see it is almost done, so we'll keep it here. We're ready with two pieces. And by this time, we'll do a little bit more of mushrooms. Now let's make it a little faster. We'll be adding salt into this. This will make the process a little faster. मशरूम आप देखिए इसमें बहुत जल्दी अब अपना पानी छोड़ देगा. So we dry roasting kind of the mushrooms because you know it will seal from the outside and inside will be juicy and crunchy. Wow, this is coming to a beautiful brown color. You see the brown color is catching up here. So I think another 1 or 2 minutes मेरे dry roasted mushrooms तैयार हो जाएंगे. So it will have a typical smoky flavor when you do it in an iron कढ़ाई or a wok. Wow, it's going to be amazing. Okay, so by the time this thing is happening, we'll see we've done breads also. I think you've shown it. We are going to be dry roasting. It is almost 70% done. अब हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे हमारी रेसिपी की जान, जिसको हम कहते हैं पतली पतली डिलिशियस, द अमूल लव ऑफ माई लाइफ. I really cannot leave eating Amul. Wow. That's just the kitchen extent. Okay, fine, we've done it. Now we're gonna be adding freshly cut garlic into this. This garlic is enough. We already had put a little bit salt. We'll add a little bit more. Wow. Sorry? Quantity of butter would be something like 25-30 ml. It could be 2 to 3 spoons since it is going to be buttery affair. Okay, so we'll reduce it so the garlic doesn't burn. We have to saute it a bit. You can see how beautifully the color, the mushroom has taken up the color, the brown and then crunchy types. So we will add a little bit of freshly crushed black pepper. We'll add a little bit more of salt. I think that's good. Now we will do a little bit more chili. That's the chili flakes. And finally, they say last but not the least is the oregano. So we have the butter garlic, black pepper, oregano, mushrooms tossed in butter. So this is almost done. So it is a very easy recipe, you know, really a quickie one. Recipe name is cheese mushroom tapas. We are done with the mushrooms almost. Now we will just take it out. These are butter tossed mushrooms, and here we keep it. Okay, we keep it on the side. So again, I'll tell you, we are making cheese mushroom tapas. So this will be divided into 3 parts. ये 3 parts में हमने divide किया. पहले हमने जो mushrooms हैं, cut mushrooms हैं, उसको हमने garlic, oregano, some chili flakes, and some butter. So we've tossed in that. हमने dry roasting की शुरू करके बाद में इसमें butter add किया और garlic भी बाद में add किया. So now the next step is we'll be making lemon butter sauce. So we have a little bit of butter again, so we'll keep it on the side. I think that should be enough. We'll have to keep the range at a low temperature. इसको बहुत कम इस पे temperature पर रखना है, नहीं तो the butter will get brown very easily. Though it is a very quick thing, we'll do.
Another type of mushroom than normal mushroom.
Oh yeah, you can use any mushrooms, because other mushrooms would have different time of cooking. You know, some needs to be soaked, some needs to be cooked on a very low temperature. So suits you. I mean, you can use anything you want. It's tapas. There is no fixed rule, because tapas are light snacks that should be presentable, that should be edible, and that should be made quickly. So the butter is done. So now we'll be adding a little bit of black pepper. In this, usually we put sea salt, but I'm using the normal salt because that is what is usually available in the houses. Okay, then we're going to be doing just a bit of dhania, the coriander. Okay, and we will just mix it.
Which mushroom is best?
That would depend. Button mushrooms are usually easily available. You can use shiitake, you can use oyster mushrooms. That would even depend on the availability as well. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding lemon juice into this now. And we literally switch off the heat. 1 lemon would be enough in around 2 tablespoons of butter, a bit of salt, a little bit of coriander and black pepper. So we are ready, with this lemony buttery kind of dressing just to glaze it. So what we'll do is we'll put it on the side. We have our second thing ready. Now we have the pan to go. This will be the grilling pan. Okay, so by the time this grills, we'll keep it on the side. We will take these breads, Okay, so now we'll wait for this thing to do. By that time, what we'll do is we've taken this bread. Bread ko hum bread mein we can use the grated cheese. We will put the grated cheese on the bread. This is usually for the houses where we don't have ovens or we don't want to use oven because oven को on करने में आधा घंटा लगता है, तो it is not a quick snack. Okay, so we will just do the cheese here. So here I'm using the diced blend of mozzarella and cheddar. This is excellent, one of my favorites. It's smoky, it's tasty, it has its own typical flavor. So we will seal this and we'll press it a little bit, because in case we want the cheese to be inside, we'll have to do a little bit of extra effort of pressing this thing.
Can we use any bread?
Yeah, any bread. So whatever I could lay my hands on the house, I mean whatever was lying, brown bread भी थी मेरे पास, ये भी थी, तो मैंने इसलिए ये भी bread use कर लिया. You can do anything, bread, kulcha, you can do burger, you can do pav in this. You know, the only thing is कि आपने इसको, you'll have to make it flat so that we don't have to make it a puffy snacks. It has to be very thin with some garnishing on top. Okay, so we've done this and that's it. And now we're gonna be covering it. Okay, so we might need to press it a little bit so that the cheese makes both the loaves stick together. Okay, so that's how it is.
If lemon juice is heated, whether it turns bitter in taste.
What?
If lemon juice is heated, whether it turns bitter in taste.
Of course it does. If first of all, the vitamin C will fly away if it is done for a longer time. So what I did was I just put it in hot sauce at the end, so it will not get bitter by that. It's like putting nimbu in your soup. That's what I did. Of course, if you cook it, I mean, if the flavor will go away, you won't feel the sourness, and even the vitamin C will not be there anymore when you heat it for a long time. So I've just used no oil here again because we have to make it a little crispy. हमने पहले इसका तेल यहाँ रख लिया निकाल के, butter I mean. So let's
Can we make in microwave or oven temperature?
The bread.
All things.
Of course, you can make it in the oven, but this is the quickest way to do it since most of the houses have tawa. They can do it. Of course, you can do it.
Oven temperature.
Oven temperature would be something like 150 to 180. We start with 180. We go up to 150 after that. Quick snacks है इंडियन घर में सब जगह रेंज होती है. Do it on the range, do it on a tawa. Easier to do. Of course, you want to do it in the oven, you're most welcome, but that will take a little more time heating it up and then probably waiting for the process to go. So this, of course, I think we will turn it. I think my griddle was also hot. Wow, perfect. I think just another 2 minutes and this will be almost done.
Which cheese you use?
Sorry?
Type of cheese you use?
There's another question, what cheese I've used. Here what I've used is Amul's diced cheese is blended mozzarella and cheddar. So I guess this should be done from the other side as well. Yeah, perfect. So we take it out. We'll let this go off because now our recipe is almost done. Let's work it out. This must be, I think, a piece of cheese will go. Okay, fine. So you see we made this sauce. This has become a little thicker. This is a butter lemon sauce. We put it over this. This will make it soft, juicy, buttery from this side, while the other side is crunchy, still crunchy, because we didn't use any oil while heating up the bread, toasting the bread. So this will make it soft from here.
Can't use normal process and no cheese.
Yeah, you can anything. You can use cheese slices. It is just a matter of little bit taste that differ. Okay. So next I'm gonna be putting the mushrooms on top. Here goes the garlic mushrooms on top. A little bit of more. Usually there is no sauce required with this, because you can feel the lemon, the butter, the garlic into this. It has enough flavors. It has oregano in itself. So इसमें काफ़ी कुछ already वो flavors हैं जो आपको already sauce की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Okay, so we've done this. I've used different 2 pieces of bread just to show we can do it with anything. So of course when you do it with same kind of breads every time, so it will look good. And finally, just pamper it a little bit more with the butter lemon sauce. Here we are. Wow. Awesome. So this is done here. I mean, there's no much plating to be done. So I think we are ready with the mushroom and cheese tapas, the Spanish snack. So you can see we've made both of the pieces. They are different breads. One is brown bread. One is oregano bread. So definitely one of the quickest snacks. I think I tried taking less time, but I think 20 minutes is the average we took for making, the slices. Of course, we add more slices to another 5 minutes game. So I hope you'll enjoy this. Try this at your home. Definitely अच्छी बनेगी और खिलाइए सबको. This will be the real buttery thing and a midnight snack. इसको खाने के बाद सुबह बंदा सोचेगा उठ के wow, had something great. So see you. Good night. We off for the day. Thank you.